Good morning everyone. Yan po, nagpipitas si Mirabella. We are again picking some tomatoes, but I think mother-in-law's already take in the morning, guys. Yan. There's a lot of rotten tomatoes, guys. Ayan. They are falling. Ayan, ang dami nilang nasisira. Papatay na yung kamatis namin.
That's no good.
I'll just remove this, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan. Say hi to my vlog, Delta.
I found one more for my sister.
And what are you getting there? The pinkish one there, the tomato there, it's okay.
That's
Yeah. It's not good this time, our tomato. It's too much big really, but very huge. But you see, guys, it's rotten. And the leaves as well.
now carrots.
These carrots.
Hey,
Oh,
small.
these are small carrots. Yeah, it's okay now, this one.
Mommy, get it. I make out
Oh
them.
my God. You are the one who make all this, huh?
But this
I think
one
she
will
forgot
see
already that I need a carrots, and I forgot in the market. I said no. She come in the
This one
garden
more small.
and digging alone carrots for me.
Hey, yes. One
Okay.
more carrot. Hide it. Get it.
Yeah. But it's small, sweetie.
But it's a bit big. I don't know. I'll find another side some big carrots.
No need, sweetie. It's enough, this one.
Yes.
It's okay, this is small thingy. I'll just make in our chopper. Oh. Yan siya, guys. I need to wash later there.
Having more. That's one more. I put.
Ayan yung mga chili, guys. As you see. Yan.
Trico, that's one.
Okay. Strico will make that one. Okay. He will make a pickle, right? And I think this one I need to remove also. Need- Gorgotinia or ampalaya. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. Naka-harvest pa ako ng dalawa, 2 piece. Maybe, I don't know, it will continue this baby. It will grow more. I don't know. But this one is also almost done also. Ayan. What are you doing? There's no gross there. What are you talking about? Ne, mata mo. Ay, de.
I just put the seeds on.
Uh-oh.
I forget. Maybe some
I will take some Swiss chard, guys. Sayang naman. Insects also eating these leaves of this Swiss chard, guys. As you see. Ayan siya. It's okay, that one, sweetie. No need.
Mommy,
Just picking this.
I need my money to wait to go. I just
bro.
put my seed, then I put also my flowers.
Say hello again. Hello to me.
Hello. Boy, pick.
Yeah.
You need that.
Pula ako.
Kuya, come on.
Nemo tamo. Samo to.
Kuya.
Okay.
Sanay ko bam.
Yeah.
Just tonight. What? Pick something else.
Baba is already harvest in the morning. So huge, guys.
This yeti, but it's not good.
Where?
This one. This yeti.
Take now. Take these 2 pieces there.
This one.
Yeah, we can cut that. Yan, guys. But really, a lot of tomatoes are falling, guys.
Where's your one more? Where's yours?
Still green, but you see, guys,
Where's yours, mommy?
there's a lot of damage in it. Yan siya.
Where's mommy? Where's mommy? What you plant? Where's?
Which one?
Where's your what you plant?
What I plant?
What you plant like that?
Which one?
This one, like this way more.
Nema. Samo to.
Wait, I'm scared.
Which one you gonna check?
No, this saya. We need also saya. We need that.
No, I don't need. Baba is cooking that. Maybe we can take one, huh?
No, Baba, we not. He's Baba cooking something else.
Yeah, Baba knows how to make a very nice salad on that. Let it to Baba. That one also, 1 tomato, Bella. Take also that pinkish tomato there. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Take. Wala ako, sweetie. Bala. Swiss chard. Yan siya, guys. Sweetie.
This. We need this.
Not this time.
Only
Or
one.
maybe, we take that one on that part. Yeah. Another also. There.
Here.
Another also. In there. That one. Bella. Show to me.
Hello. Wait.
She's a big. There is one more. That one, pinkish.
This one.
Take the pinkish now.
That one, do it.
Yeah, that one. It's okay, that one.
Do it.
Yeah.
This one.
It will ripe later. Okay, put now there, that one.
Ada you. I see one more here.
Yeah, check. This one also, sweetie. It will ripe later at home. Dada. Finish now, that one.
That's so soft.
Put it there. Good.
I see one more. Seven. I see one more. Aha. Two. Okay, see then this. Okay.
Is it enough? Are you done?
Yes, enough.
Say.
Goodbye, guys.
Say goodbye first here. Nice. Ayde.
Goodbye, guys.
Here.
Travis.
There.
Goodbye, guys. Right and our channel.
Goodbye, guys. Welcome to our...
Goodbye. Mommy,
Say.
show them my friends.
See you again on next video.
Show this
Okay.
one. Show my... This one. Almost
She said she planting a seeds over there. No, it will not that one. That one is Okay. Okay, ciao.